Yo, so you guys know I did an early unboxing over the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens, and I have them here today. We're gonna throw them on feet. The energy still has not switched up. I still feel the same way. This is a very, very dope Air Jordan 3. The quality is nice. The hits are crazy on these joints, and that Lucky Green looks really, really good on these Air Jordan 3s right here. We're gonna break these things down, throw them on feet, but real quick before we jump into the video, let me know right now down below in the comment section if you secured a pair of the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens right now down below in the comment section, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in yet again to another video. Told you guys are gonna be a lot more consistent over these next couple of months. Got some dope content following up for you guys. We got some early looks, we got some unboxings, we have some clothing hauls, all types of stuff. So stick around for the ride by subscribing right now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, man. And please leave a huge like. Everybody right now, man, smack the like button. Everybody, we'll wait. All right, appreciate it, man. Thanks for hitting that like button. It really was a long way for the YouTube channel. I know you guys see the AIT. I kind of, previewed this a couple of months ago. This is the tee that we will be dropping this summer for the clothing brand NOIR. And you guys seen yesterday's video we had on the Champions tee. We got Jordan, Pippen, and Rodman on the front. This is an oversized, kind of like a Shaka drop tee. We'll be dropping both of these here within the next couple of days. So stick around, stay tuned by following my clothing brand IG and following the website. You can subscribe to the mailing list right now, link down below. And I don't know what's going on with people like not watching the entire video. It's important to watch the entire video. I be dropping gems. I be letting you guys know what's going on. In yesterday's video, I told you that people said that these were better than the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. I even put the tweets of people actually saying that, and nobody actually seen that part. So watch the entire videos. You guys will enjoy the content. It all comes together. So just sit back, relax, watch the entire video. That's greatly appreciated, man. All right, man, back to the sneakers. You guys know we did get a different box, all white right here, as you guys can see. Got your gold Jumpman up top, nothing crazy. Official colorway reads women's Air Jordan 3 retro, white, varsity red, and lucky green. And I got these in the size 10.5. I always go true to size on my Air Jordan 3s. Only thing I go up a half size on is my Air Jordan 4s, man. The only thing that kind of sucks about these Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens is that there was no extended sizes. So if you guys go check on Sneakers app right now, I think the highest size it went up to is a men's size 12, and from men's size 10 all the way to men's size 12, they're all sold out. So if you guys, rocking that 8.5, 9.5 like me, you still have the opportunity to grab a pair and throw them in the sneaker rotation. Something cool about these right here is the hang tag they did hit us with. I know me myself, I like, getting something a little different, a little extravagant. We didn't get any crazy special box, it would have been dope. But we did get a little nice hang tag with the Lucky Green Jumpman Air right here, which of course matches the entire presentation of the sneaker with the Lucky Green hits around the entire midsole. Something cool they could have done with these Air Jordan 3s is throw in like a red or a Lucky Green Jumpman on the back, or Nike Air. Who does not love a Nike Air on the back of the Air Jordan 3s? But they just threw a regular gray, like metallic silver Jumpman Air on the back, but you got a red Jumpman on the tongue. So I don't know what that was about. I know they had some type of thought process on that one, but maybe throwing in a red or a Lucky Green Nike Air or Jumpman Air on the back would have been super clean in my opinion. I know you guys see the Air Jordan 3 white cements behind me, the reimagined joints. I'm gonna grab them real quick, just kind of compare the quality. I did this a little bit when I first got the sneaker, but now that we in front of the camera, I might as well go ahead and show you guys. So being totally honest, the Air Jordan 3 women's Lucky Green have some better leather quality in my opinion. It's nothing too much better, but you can tell that these are a bit softer than the reimagined 3s. That's probably because we have major quality control issues with these when they did drop a month or so ago. But the Lucky Greens, nice quality, no crazy elephant print going around the toe box or the heel. And I think these joints is A1 in my opinion. Grabbing both of the sneakers, like I said, you got the nice elephant print going around the toe box right there. It's not discolored like the reimagined 3s. And then even flipping around to the back, you got the same pattern, the same elephant print on the heel as well. If you did not pick this pair up today, you won't even notice that it has kind of like an off-white midsole going around this entire sneaker, which contrasts perfectly off that green and the entire white upper of these Lucky Green 3s. You definitely see that in the B-roll and on the on feet, how how well it does come together with that off-white midsole, kind of mocking the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined. What's really crazy about these Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens is that they resemble the Air Jordan 4 SB Pine Greens so much, but nobody's giving the Air Jordan 3 the credit. I know some people are mad because they extend the sizes. I know some people that said these are absolute trash. I'm like, yo, how can you say these are absolute trash but call the Air Jordan 4 SB Pine Greens one of the sneakers of the year? Even though they look so much alike, that lucky green hit, predominantly white. You have some of that, you know, eggshell white, off-white on the sneaker, and you call these trash. Like, I 100% disagree with that. Super dope Air Jordan 3. You guys can kind of see the comparison without me even saying anything. Lucky green hits on the upper. Yeah, of course, you got the lucky green hits on the midsole of the Air Jordan 4s and the 3s. Only thing that's kind of, you know, probably give the one up to the 4s is it has Nike SB on the back, which is the first time we ever seen that on an Air Jordan 4. So you guys let me know what y'all think, man. People calling these trash but calling these sneaker of the year, I don't think it makes much sense. They look a lot alike. If they would have threw SB on the back of these bad boys, you probably be hearing the same story like you did for the SB4s. People hyping them up, people not allowing people to get them for retail, bots going crazy, etc, etc. So yeah, man, like I said, down below in the comment section, let me know if you secured a pair. Let me know if I kind of changed your mind a little bit about the perception of the sneaker, or even just how dope these joints actually are. Some people just, you know, no look past these joints like Chris Paul, but maybe if you see them in hand, you might, you know, take a little second look at them and might add them to the collection, man. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Hope you enjoyed the review. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you have not already. And please leave a huge like on today's video. We're going in depth with these joints. We're going to throw these things on feet. And yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I appreciate all love and support. Again, thanks for tapping in. And all that being said, we're going to throw these things right on feet. The Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens, man.
To work the day away, I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's to count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD and then I fade away. Lately I've been giving down tones and meeting milestones. No way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gem over a piece of me. My mind's always just clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, need you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep, I got here off muscle memory. Self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you craving, got you refueled. For real, I hope you find some sort of peace and all that meditating. I've been looking for mine inside the blood, I'm self-medicated. Bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. 30 from 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. The world outside's on fire, niggas dying and the rent is due. When the babies learn to cock and fire back before they even get to live their truth. I think somebody God got me right, cause I don't really look like what I made it through. People from the past wonder how. Somebody tell the realest, this live inside you too. I keep a bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. I'm 30 for 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right